The North Branch Library has earned national recognition as a family place library.
Family Place Library is a welcoming space where families with young children can go to play, learn, and connect with child development experts, and they can get those resources that they might need, and the whole family can come and feel supported.
Now, as part of a national network, the library can better support parents, caregivers, and young children during those first crucial years of learning.
Libraries are already those community centers, but Family Place offers a network of support both for our librarians, but also for parents or caregivers to know that they have this trusted resource, and it's backed by research and it's backed by this network.
North Branch already had many of the core components required to become a Family Place library. With this new designation, it has allowed them to provide even more resources right here in Denton to local families.
Family Place Library provided us some additional resources for our children's area, mainly the baby garden area. We were also able to provide the 5-week workshops. We offer those twice a year. And our parent caregiver book section.
Librarians also attended specialized training to bring new approaches to programs and services as part of their ongoing commitment to children's success.
I definitely noticed the effort that goes into all of their planning, and I'm grateful for that because it's a free resource that we can come to that gets us out of the house and helps her learn, helps her be enriched.
I just want everyone to know that we are here to help families grow healthy, happy children and build those strong community connections and continue to be a welcome space for them.
In Denton, I'm Kimberly Barroteran.